Hi guys, so it's time for another Meebox unboxing this month of July. The theme is Birds of Paradise. Sitting on top here we have a polish corrector, a Moyu London, an A England, a Wicked polish. As usual you get your swash sticks, a stamper and scraper, and of course a stamping plate. Just going to take a closer look at everything that we got. So first of all we have Wicked polish. This is an indie brand, I believe. This one is called Dion, and as you can see it is a shimmer polish, and it's one of these that has different colour effects based on the light. It's mostly coming across as green, but in the inner corners there you can see some purple definitely coming through as well. We have the A England polish. This one's called Rose Bower, or Rose Bower, I hope I'm saying that the right way. This one is a shimmery red polish. Now in here, because we have got the stamping plate, this is, I'm assuming, a stamping polish as well. And I would say it's a mushroom colour. That's like my favourite word for these sort of beige neutral shades. This is called After the Storm. So to go with this polish you of course have the stamper and scraper set, which come in this cute little bag as well. The image plate for this month as well is tropical, and you can see the images on there. So you've got the peacock feathers, peacock head, birds of paradise, etc. Now these image plates are quite small, so unfortunately they're not suitable for my size of nails, as you can see there. Now this is an interesting addition here. So this is a Latent Denny Precision Corrector Fluid. Let's have a look at this one. So inside here you get a little tiny brush. It's very well packed. So after a little bit of fighting I did get it out. So that is it there. I'm going to go with, this is just basically polish remover. So you obviously get the little brush to get in around the cuticle area to tidy up after you've done your manicure. So that's really cool. I've never seen this before. So that is it. That is the goodies that came in July's Birds of Paradise Meebox. As always, I'll do a live swatch video showing you these three colours, what they look like on the nail. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.